Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Right now, guess where I am? Right now, I'm in the airport, Hyderabad International Airport. So right now, I'm going to Maldives. So just heading for the breakfast right now because I'm damn hungry now. And we have the flight at around morning 6:30.
So today we are going to Malay. Presently we are there in Premium Plaza Lounge, and with me is the beautiful Rakshu, the vlogger. You can
Miss Hyderabad. Hey, hi. Love you guys. So, how did you like my nail polish? You like the color? Comment in the box.
And further we are moving ahead to Bangalore, and then there will be a connecting flight to Malay.
But where are you moving from? This is Hyderabad, right? You didn't specify. This is Hyderabad. Hyderabadi.
You see, she's just too much cliche.
Oh, really? Huh?
She's just doing her makeup by looking into the camera screen.
Guys,
She's not
take
interested in walling.
Take precautions and put your mask on and just enjoy your life and keep some distance. And I hope you all are fine.
So guys, we'll catch you up in Bangalore. How was your experience with the immigration?
This is we came back from Hyderabad to Bangalore airport. Catch you guys in Malay in a couple of hours. Till then, lots of socks. Now you catch and we do all about Maldives, about our beaches and shopping. See you guys, have fun and take care and take your precautions.
We have arrived at Malay Airport, and we are
We're
going.
heading to a resort and I can't see myself though. Oh, really? So yeah, this is Maldives. You can see the sea there. We have backside in front of me, and this is Maldives for you guys. So check out, and this is a lovely place. Just fell in love with Maldives. You can just see the sea. It is so clear and so beautiful. guys, I just sat in my taxi. That's exactly in front of me is the airport.
We have already arrived at Malé and we are going through a sea transfer, so you can see this beautiful water. Okay, so this is a life jacket which has been given to us, and a briefing has also been carried out.
Guys, finally we are back to our resort. That is Coco Bodu Hithi, Maldives. You can just see the green, lovely water, and it was a lovely ride, but a bumpy ride though. You can see this tree of fishes over here.
So we fade in the rhythm. Swaying in the spotlight makes me feel so good inside. Oh baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie when you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance.
Just came from the bumpy ride, and this is the reception. I hope you can see here. It's World's Luxury Award winner. Yeah, what's that in? Yeah, this is the reception where you come first and give your passports. So you need to submit your passports over here. Your villa. Just had a lovely lunch at Coco Bodu Hithi. क्या नाम सही बोले ना? नहीं। वही Coco.
So guys, it's already night. We have arrived
It's evening
at
6:30.
the Coco Bodu Hithi at 4:35, and we were done with everything, our lunch and all stuff. But now you can see how beautiful this place is and how beautiful this walkway. You can also call it a footpath. And you see, just see how beautifully they have made this. And Raksha is in a hurry to move fast.
Because I'm scared. I don't know what.
Scared.
Yeah. कौन सी जगह पे क्या आता है? लेके चलना पड़ता है.
इसे पता नहीं कौन सी जगह पे क्या था, देखिए चलना पड़ता है. You can see this beautiful coconut pink color.
Light. Oh, यहाँ पे लाइटिंग कर रहा है.
This beautiful डॉक्टर में फोटोग्राफी करनी. Okay guys, so finally after dinner we have come back and now we are gonna jump into the swimming pool. It has been a hilarious day today, and Raksha right now is also in the mood to get in the swimming pool, and we'll have fun today. Same in the morning. Okay, so we are very bad livers, so we have already spoiled the bed, but you can see how beautiful this room is. Okay, so this was one of the sites where there is a villa, where there is a swimming pool. Now coming on to the center of this particular room, we can see that there is a huge jacuzzi, and it is one of the best part of this particular room. And in front you can see there is a door. This is the way out or way in. And let's move ahead. You can also see that there is a sit out which has been made, and you get a complimentary wine along with some fruits. And this curtain which is drawn presently, which I'll be showing you ahead, is the ocean view, or you can also call it the beach, wherein we can go and chill out outside. So you have to climb down a few steps to come to this place and sit over here. So hello beautiful people. So just I have had this swimming pool thing, and it was just too awesome. And you can see that there is a beautiful wine bottle, so you can have fun with it.
But life doesn't wait, you can see it and waste away.